Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this electric nailer stumbler from Parkside, the model PET25C3. I have made a video for the C2 model, you can check in the end of this video right in the corner. 3 years warranty, designed in Germany, max impact rate is 30 BPM, impact force adjustable, impact trigger 3-fold protection, included accessories 500 staples, 4 meters of cable. We can see the accessories, all that we're gonna find out together how we can use this tool. Flush nose design, ideal for working on a narrow items and close to edges. Well, nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this tool and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out and the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this tool. There's the 4 meters of cable, very convenient. Definitely you can work free. I like it. We've got the staples and nails. Included an Allen key. And we've got 200 nails 25mm, 300 nails 32mm, 200 staples 15mm, and another 300 staples 25mm. Now let's see and the tool. Convenient one-handed operation with a non-slip soft grip and safety switch. Wheel for adjusting the strike power. We've got the on-off switch here. There's the safety switch. Here we've got the rib fence. Just slide that down and then you can press and adjust how much you want. It is from 0 to 14 centimeter. There is a mark. You can adjust it. And just like that, you can use the tool with more accuracy. And then you can just slide again, goes here, press and lock. At the front we've got the faceplate with 2 Allen screws. You can unscrew that if you want to clean the head or something was stuck inside. You can unscrew these 2 screws and do the job. And here we can see the type 55 from 15 to 25mm, type 47, 15, 20, 25 and 32mm. Then we can remove the magazine slider, and for my first test I will use this 25mm. It goes here, perfect. We've got the red line here. Press and lock. The red line indicates that it is near in the end your stumbles. And here we've got and the marking of the fill level indicator at this point. And we can see with our eyes where is the stumbles inside. Perfect. Well, overall I can say it is very well manufactured. It feels something durable. It is quite heavy. I like it. I think it's time for move on for testing. Okay, there we are. I will try to do 3 tests. First, on a low impact force. Let's turn it on. And now I'm using the 25mm nails. And we can see I'm pressing the trigger, it's not doing anything because the safety switch needs to be pressed manually at the wood. Okay, let's start. And we can see it didn't go all the way in. Let's try again. Better. Now let's go at the middle. Oh yeah, now it goes all the way in. And at the maximum, definitely will go more. Oh. we've got more impact, more noise. Okay, now I will try with the 32mm nails. Let's remove that. That was 25mm, 32mm, and you need to install it from this side. Goes here. Perfect. And it locks. Okay, and again I'm going to start with the lowest. Oh, you can see didn't go all the way in. Same. Now let's go at the middle. Okay. Oh. Better force. And highest. Definitely. Oh. Definitely it will go all the way in. Let's do faster. Nice. I like it. 32mm and goes all the way in on the highest impact force. Now, let's remove that. And now I will try the smallest. This is 15mm. And that is very easy. It goes at this position. And let's start lowest. Oh, we've got one nail inside, okay. Okay, and in the lowest it goes all the way in. It is only 15mm the length. Middle. And highest, of course, doesn't matter. It can do the job in a lowest impact force. And as you can hear, guys, in the highest it makes more noise. Perfect. And now let's try the other. It is 25mm, 10mm more. Okay. And again, let's start with the lowest. Oh, you can see it doesn't go all the way in. The first, it was before without nails. Now medium again. Better, but not all the way in. And the highest impact force. Oh yes. Nice. Great job. Definitely is doing a great job with the nailers or stumblers. Nice, I like it. And we can see a closer look. All the nails, stumbles. Larger impact force is doing a better job. Now let's say you want to nail something, let's say at 5cm. You can adjust this plastic at 5cm here and start. And that's how you will have a straight line and nail any wood. Piece of cake, I like it. Now I've got this drawer and around it has some gaps. I need to fix that. It is one of the things that you can do with this nail stumbler. And I'm using the middle force. Oh, nice. Great job, I like it. Well guys, I'm sure you can fix many things at your home, drawer, some furniture. You can do some DIY projects, renovation, whatever you want. It has a great impact force, adjustable, all included at the box, these nails and stumbles, and it costs only 30 euros. It is a great price, and I think it's a tool that you need to have at your home, and at the right moment use it and make your life easier. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. I hope my video will be very helpful and decide if you want to buy that kind of tool. Until my next video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.